Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you some happy mail, but it's not just any mail, it is Frizzy Bee mail, which is Colorful Kawaii Crochet. Frizzy Bee is a channel here on YouTube, and I will put that channel in the description box below. So I wanted to share my Frizzy Bee mail with you. I opened the box, it was really well packed, kind of pulled some stuff up, so I'm going to open it now and share it with you. So there's a little note for me, and look, it says Frizzy Bee. Oh, come on, come in. Oh, it doesn't want, it's Colorful Kawaii Crochet. There it is. So we have a note, and we'll see. So thank you so much for your crochet kit purchase. I absolutely love working. Hope you absolutely love working through the pattern and having everything you need at your fingertips. Should you need any help, or if there is any issue with your purchase, please let me know. I'm always available to help via DM or email at frizzybeehive@gmail.com. Ah, that's so sweet. And she signed it. She signs it. That's really sweet. There's another one. Oh, cool. Double the trouble. Oh, this one's more personal. I'm sorry, I'm reading it in here. Oh, I got an extra little bee present for being a member of her Patreon, and some stickers. Oh, and there is a huge giveaway on her channel to help her Kickstarter. She has a Kickstarter campaign because she created some plushies, and the Kickstarter's to get those plushies started. That's awesome. So go and check out her giveaway. I love it. And she is giving away a giant plushie. It's named Sprinkle, and she's selling raffle tickets for that. So go check out this. I mean, the plushie's huge. You gotta go check it out. So I got some stickers. I got a sunflower. I love this one. I'm a crochet-aholic. That's super cute. I'm so putting that on my laptop, and I'm so going to put this on the back of my iPad. I love those. Thank you so much. That's adorable. Okay, now to see what we got. Okay, this one. Oh, this looks like a big bag of polyfill. Big bag of polyfill. Oh my. We got a big bag of polyfill. Wonder what kind of kit Froggy bought. And then we have our kit with all our yarns, and give you guys a sneak peeky. They are like blanket yarns. There they are. Awesome. And then we have our little eyeballs, some notions in here, eyes, a couple of stitch markers, and a needle. So that's cool. I guess you guys want to see the color. So it's green and a brown. Love that. love that. Okay. This defines the pattern. So this is the pattern. This is the kit that I bought Mr. Frog in his bag of flies, and it's a no-sew, and he has a bag that he keeps his flies in. Isn't that adorable? So that's the pattern that I got. It's a kit, and I absolutely love it. And this is so stinking adorable. Oh, this is nicely written. It's got a photo tutorial with it. I don't want to share her whole pattern, but you can see there's a tutorial with it. Nicely done. Oh yes, photo tutorial throughout the whole thing. Nicely done. Very well written. It's big enough that I can see it. I love that. Tells about her, and because she's the designer. And it tells you that you can share Mr. Frog. And tells you how to find her. So that's awesome. So if you guys want to find Frizzy Bee, I hope I can hold that steady enough so you can find Frizzy Bee. There you go. That's awesome. Love that pattern. I love that. Of course I do. It's Froggy. And there was a little something extra for me for being a Patreon. Look at that. It's a bee present. Isn't that adorable? She made a bee for me. Look at that. That is so totes adorable. It's going to sit on my desk. It's so cute. I love that. People don't often make me things. But when they do, they sit on my desk or on my... I have a shelf right here. They sit on my desk or on my shelf up here. I have a frog made for me by a YouTuber. And he's not a content creator, but he is in my chat. And it sits up there too. So that Mr. Frog sits up there. And now my bee present will sit there. I love this. Thank you so much. I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm going to put my pattern and my yarn in my box until I can start to work on it. I love it. It is spectacular. Thank you so much. You guys, make sure you go and check out Frizzy Bee. Frizzy Bee's amazing. Love watching the amigurumis being made. That, of course, is near and dear to my heart because it's one of my favorite things to make. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this. This is so cute and amazing. I love this. That is so cool. And stay tuned. Stay tuned for when I make Mr. Frog. It won't be long. And I'm going to make Mr. Frog. And you can find this at Frizzy Bee's Etsy shop. I should link that down below as well. There's a Mr. Frog and a Mrs. Frog. The pink frog. She's pink. I should have got it and I didn't. I feel bad now. But there's Mr. Frog and then there's a Mrs. Frog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This has been lots of fun. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. I love you all. Bye now.